Hello everyone, it's Mazhar Ali and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learning Digitally, the YouTube channel where we explore the exciting word technology and digital innovation. Today we are diving into the fascinating field of natural language processing, or commonly called NLP. NLP is an exciting field that involves teaching machines to understand human language. In this video, we will explore the background of NLP, its scope, limitations, challenges, opportunities, future applications, and its role in developing scarce languages of the world. So friends, NLP has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s with the major advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Today, NLP is used in many everyday applications such as Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and chatbots. NLP is also used in industries such as healthcare, finance, legal, and customer services to improve communication and efficiency. So what exactly is NLP? In simple terms, it's a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on understanding and analyzing human language. From speech recognition and text analysis to language translation and sentiment analysis, NLP is used in a wide range of applications that require machine to understand and process human language. Some NLP examples include sentiment analysis, which analyze customers' feedback and online reviews to determine the tone and emotion behind them. Another example is the named entity recognition, which identifies important names, places, and dates in a text. A third example is a language translation, which translates text from one language to another language. One of the most notable NLP case studies is the development of IBM's Watson, which used NLP to win the Jeopardy game show in 2011. Another notable case study is the Google's BERT, which is a language processing model that uses deep learning techniques to improve search results. So friends, some of the most popular programming languages used in NLP include Python, R, Java, and C++. Python is particularly popular in NLP due to its simplicity and ease of use. If we talk about the scope of NLP, then the scope of NLP is vast and its applications are numerous. Some of the most common use cases of NLP include chatbots, virtual assistants, sentiment analysis, language translations, and speech recognition and text analysis. So NLP is also used in healthcare industry for clinical documentation and in the legal industry for e-discovery and contract analysis. Friends, NLP is a rapidly evolving field and there are many areas of research that are currently being explored. Some of these areas include sentiment analysis, machine translation, speech recognition, and text-to-speech conversion. Other areas of research include named entity recognition, topic modeling, and dialogue generation. As every field has its limitations, so there's the limitations of NLP as well. One of the biggest challenges of NLP is the understanding of the nuances of human language, such as irony, ambiguity, and etc. Additionally, NLP systems can struggle with the languages that have complex grammatical structures or those with a small amount of available data. Despite the challenges, NLP presents many opportunities for innovation. With the ability to understand and process human language, NLP has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with machines. So it can improve customer service, increase efficiency in industries, and even help to develop scarce languages of the world. As NLP systems become more advanced, they have the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with the machines. Imagine a world where you can speak to your devices in natural language and have them understand you perfectly. So this is just one of the many exciting opportunities that NLP presents. Looking to the future, NLP is set to play an even greater role in our lives. As the amount of digital data continues to grow exponentially, NLP will become increasingly important for analyzing, extracting insights from this data. So NLP systems will also play a key role in the development of scarce languages of the world, helping to preserve and promote these languages for future generations. Friends, in the future, NLP will continue to play an important role in our lives. As more data becomes available online, NLP will be increasingly important in analyzing and extracting insights from that data. Additionally, NLP will play a key role in developing technologies that are more human-like in their communication. So that's it for our overview of NLP today. I tried to present a brief overview of NLP and its many applications. We hope you have enjoyed learning more about this fascinating field, and we look forward to seeing the many ways in which NLP will continue to transform our world. If you have any question or comments, feel free to leave them below in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Learning Digitally. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon that you may get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Take care, stay blessed.